Hello, welcome back to the Automax channel, welcome back to a workshop episode, and a welcome back to the thing that's lying under that cover. Now, it's been on that car before, that cover. That's why it's all ripped at the back and it's not a great cover. But we've just been to Pro Detailing to pick up the Renault 5 Turbo, GT Turbo, sorry. The Renault 5 GT Turbo project. Now, if you pop over to his channel and have a look what he's been doing, he has painstakingly pulled all the interior out of this, detailed all the inside, he's cleaned the outside, because the thing is, the mud and the grime that was on that, once that's cleaned, you can never replicate that. We wanted to document it properly and we wanted someone proper to clean it. So that's why we got Gary from Pro Detailing involved. He actually reached out to us and said, do you know what, Sean, I really want to clean that. So we let him, and he's not finished, but what has happened is he's cleaned the outside and unearthed a lot of work for me. So there's a lot of rust, not a horrendous amount, but it's just, I'll show you. You've seen it on the first episode, but I'll show you again now that it's all clean. So I'll tell you what, instead of me waffling, I'll whip the cover off and then we'll do a little walk around. This cover isn't the best. I must order a proper one. This is how I like to do this. This is what I used to do anyway. Get the cover, roll it up to the middle like that. There's one. Same with this. And then when you come to put it away, all you do is roll them back out. I'm sure you can see some rust already. And no, I haven't found a headlamp yet. Bit by bit, we're gonna have to strip a lot off. We'll have to see how far we need to go. I'm gonna start stripping and just hopefully not have to go to bare shell. I don't really want a nut and bolt restoration. I want a light restoration, but I'm afraid, I mean, looking at it, I might have to go a bit further than that. But I want to use it, so I don't need to eat my dinner off the bottom of it, but I obviously want it all right. But I want to be able to use it, I want to drive it. It's not a show queen, it's not going to be sat with mirrors underneath it. It will be used. So I want it in a position where, yes, I want the bodywork done, I need all the rot done because obviously it needs to be road legal. I need it respraying, engine oil needs to be rebuilt. Well, I assume it will do. What else do I need to do? I need to get the screen out, I need to change the bottom arm on the front. I mean, there's lots of things I need to do, but I'm hoping, I really am hoping that I don't need to take it down to a shell because, well, I haven't really got time for that, really, and I want to get back in it. So, yeah. Let's have a walk around and then we'll see what we need to do. Right, well, we know the main bits were around the windscreen here. So this windscreen needs to come out. Now Gary hasn't done the engine bay because he was going to leave me do all the mechanicals first. Because the engine bay isn't that bad. I mean, the bulkhead is all good. He has given it a quick clean, but he hasn't gone detailing it because he knows that I'm going to have to strip it back down. I'm going to whip that headlamp out. That's going to be one of the first jobs, and then source a new one. I have had a few people message me saying that they've got them, so I just literally need to get back in contact with someone and get that off them. If anyone's got a bumper, I think we're going to have to put a bumper on it. I'm not going to be able to repair that. I've not got the section that broke, so we're going to have to do that. The wheels have been nicely refurbished. Look at those. Now, go and watch Gary's video on the refurbishment of those. We are very happy with those. Whoops Wheels have done a brilliant job of those. And there is the other section of the windscreen. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a cut off another car. So we're going to get the whole front panel and we're going to get probably up to about here. And then we'll just use what we need. So it'll probably be a complete front panel, scuttle panel, and the corners as well. And we'll weld it on the straight bits. That is the plan. Bit of damage there. I'm going to get that sorted. So yeah, this kit needs to come off, mainly because this side isn't too bad, but we have got rot in those corners. The other side is a bit worse. Let me show you that. So we're going to get this body kit off and we're going to repair here and here. Again, we're going to try and get a cut maybe across there and across there somewhere, and then try and graft it in. Body kit is in quite good shape except for that part on the other side, so we're hoping we're going to save that. Might need some new clips, that's not a problem. Now this front end here, as you can see here, the front end, that front wheel there is further back, so there's more of a gap on the front than there is on the rear. So that is it. Well, we definitely got a bent bottom arm, we think. So we're going to get that replaced. Refurbish all the brakes, and then come around to the boot area. We're going to have to get the boot glass out, I think, because round here we have a bit of rust here and here and in the corner here. So we want to sort that out. Otherwise, the boot's quite good. Might need one of those, if anyone can get one of those. Probably fit some other Renaults, don't they? Exhaust, we want to change that as well. But that's not urgent. We didn't get a chance to have a look around Gary's and we were going to do a walk around, a bit of a reveal there when I went down, but we were both in such a rush. He had loads on, I got there late, had to pick the car up and had to get back. I had to do it all in an afternoon. So we didn't get a chance to do that, but I'm kind of doing that now. I'm going through it now. I'm just showing you, yeah, I'm just revealing it again. I was pretty shocked to see it, so especially the interior. The interior is immaculate, and he's fixed the seat. It's yeah, it's a shame that the outside isn't as good as the inside, really. But we will get there. Like all this engine bay is all right. I don't think it'll need much to get it going. I mean, we're going to need new hoses and stuff like that, but everything's here, so I'm pretty sure it'll go again without too much work. I keep saying that I don't want a big restoration, and I'm just hoping that it isn't going to turn into that. But yeah, let's have a look around the interior. I'll show you what he's done in there. Follow the journey. Like and subscribe. No liking on this anymore. All cleaning. While I'm down here looking at this fabulously restored wheel, I want to say thank you to Whoops Wheels refurbishing experts. They've done a fabulous job of this Renault 5 wheel, and I'm sure I'll have more for them. Also, Bolts hardware experts. They've given us some wheel nuts. They're under that cap at the moment, but I will show you them at some point. And we're really happy with those too. So thank you both. That is a job that Gary has sorted out from Pro Detailing. But we are very grateful, and we're glad to have you on board our project. I may need a torch for this. But can you see how red that carpet is? That, you couldn't see that before. You could never tell that that was a red carpet. And look at this seat. This seat had bolster wear here, and it's all fixed. And look at the condition of them. They've just come out so well. Gary said, "Oh look, there's a stain there," and I couldn't really see it. So that's how much of a perfectionist he is too. It's the gear stick, all clean. It's got a bit of fading on it, but it would be after years of use, wouldn't it? So can't blame it for that. All the dashboards come up mint. All the door cards, that one and that one. Look at them. They're like brand new. It's just a shame that I might get dust in here now when I'm restoring it. There's the keys. Look at them. All the dashboard is lovely and clean. Steering wheel nice and clean, ready for my grubby hands to be all around it. Headlining's come out quite clean. There's a few marks in it, but it's probably from people putting things in and out. And then in the back there, got the parcel shelf and all the plastics and everything. I mean, it's too dark, I can't show you there, but as we go on, I'll show you all the bits and bobs that he's done. Stereo. Has anyone got a standard stereo for a Renault 5 GT Turbo? I have got some period ones that will go in it, but it'd be nice to have the original. This side you can see a bit better, the lighting is a little bit better. But look at the seats. He's even gone to town on the rails and everything. They're all like flipping new. I bloody love it. Thank you, Gary. What's in here? Nothing. Nothing but cleanliness. What's in here? Nothing but cleanliness. What do these switches do? Nothing at the moment. Yeah, sorry. There we go. that's just a quick intro to welcome it back. Now, now I'm just going to dig into it. So you'll see this at various stages. You'll see me in different clothing probably, but it's not all getting done at once. It's going to be sat here on stands in the workshop, and we're going to be working on it between jobs. The plan is to attack it, as in we want it done ASAP. I want it back at Gary's so he can do the engine bay and finish off some other bits. I need it to get it to the paint shop. I need to get it prepped for that. I need it running, driving. I want it all done. But like I said, it's not going concourse. It's not a full nut and bolt rebuild. It's going to be usable. I mean, it's always there if I want to do that. You know, one day I might turn around and say, look, because I don't plan on selling this. So one day I might turn around and say, right, yeah, it deserves a nut and bolt rebuild, and we'll put it away somewhere and just keep it as an ornament. But I don't like doing that. I like to use my stuff, so I probably won't be doing that. But it's there, isn't it? We've got it. We can do what we want with it. But main thing is I'm going to look after it, but I'm also going to use it. So I want it a tidy, head-turning, retro toy. So, yeah, just keep watching this one. This will be in a few different stages. Yeah, enjoy it. And then go and watch some of Gary's stuff as well, because he's got a little bit out there about this car and other cool stuff. So, yeah, follow him on Instagram. Sorry it's been so long. But I mean, yeah, he's back, so we're on it. I'm going home now for my dinner. Some of you are probably quite confused about this channel because it's got a lot of rally geekage, and then it's got stuff like this. Is that something that you like? Do you like this kind of stuff as well? Because we're kind of trying to find our feet in the old YouTube game. So the rally stuff obviously is a passion of mine, so I want to keep that going. But also, I'm mad keen on stuff like this. So the channel, it's our channel. I could put where I want on it, I suppose. But is it something that you like watching? Because if you don't like watching it, I just won't record it. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Anyway, this is going under the cover for tonight, and we'll see it as we fix it up. Yes, I'll get a new cover, promise. Thanks.